What is a matter? What is the building blocks of the matter? These are the questions human beings are searching for since ancient times. The first idea of that matter is made up of tiny little particles is very old. This first idea appeared in many ancient cultures such as Greece and India. The word atom is derived from the Greek word atomic, means uncuttable. Ancient idea was just philosophical idea. It had nothing to do with empirical studies. And this atom is the building block of all the matter we see or we perceive. Every atom is made up of one nuclei and one or more than electron. And this nucleus is also made up of proton and neutron. Proton is positively charged particle and electron is negatively charged particle. 99% of the mass of the atom is in the nucleus. This atom can form a chemical bond with another atom with same kind or different kind. So chemical bond between different elements is actually bond between atoms. Number of protons in the atom determines the atomic number. First atom was formed just after Big Bang, although electron was created at the time of Big Bang, but when universe cooled down, then electron combined with proton and heavy elements were formed. This proton is also made up of further subatomic particle called quark, and this quark binds with gluon and make proton. Also, neutron is also made up of quark. It means proton and neutron is made up of fundamental particles called quark, and proton and neutron are not a fundamental particle but composite particle. The binding force in the proton and neutron is strong nuclear force, and the electron and proton is attracted by electromagnetic force. Atom is very weird object. It doesn't follow classical physics or it doesn't follow rules of classical mechanics. We need a different kind of physics called quantum physics. Quantum mechanics is the correct description of the atomic world. It correctly describes behavior of atom and also subatomic particles. In 1897, J.J. Thomson first discovered electron, and in early 20s, Niels Bohr gave the first model of atom, in which he imagined that proton and neutron is like the sun and electron will revolve around this proton and neutron just like a planet. But it was the incomplete picture. Later on, due to the quantization, the correct model of atom was achieved. In the atom, we actually cannot completely describe the behavior of electron. Actually, we only calculate probability of finding an electron in the atom. So quantum mechanics is basically a probabilistic theory, and this atom, as I said, this atom is made up of subatomic particles. And further, if we further go down to the in the quantum field theory, then we conceive that every subatomic particle is nothing but a excitation state of fundamental field. Just like electron is the excitation state of electron field, proton is the excitation state of proton field. So this is the brief description of the atom.